for all of you who are wondering what has done to the name of the channel and why it has changed. So I've had a clash between the brand which I have and the soap making, which is a passion which we do, and so to accommodate both, I just thought it would be more sensible to go in two different names, and hence the change of name. We've called it Sacred Fig. So wherein which you can get enlightened about manufacturing products and making your own products for yourself. And for the ones who are looking to learn workshops and all that, we have started our workshops, and we're starting classes at our place from the 5th of November. So the workshops is going to be split into one type of workshop for every week for 4 weeks of the month. So the first week is going to be soap making workshops, and then you'll have your creams, lotions and ointment class, followed by perfumes, and I just forgot what the workshops are. You can check the link below, and there'll be a detailed description of the workshops available. So you can book it from there, or you can call our number which is displayed here and book your workshops. So yeah, let's go on into the video. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode. So this is your host Kaviraj, and today we are going to see how to make different types of soaps in one single batch. So what I am going to do is, I have 5 batches which I have to make, and each are 1 kg, and I am going to do 3 variants of soaps. So to make the process easier, first thing I have done is taken 5 kgs of oil for the entire batch of soaps in a single batch, and I have taken all the necessary lye solution over here. So I'll just give you a quick run through of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to mix the lye solution in a single batch and weigh out the ingredients separately, add the additives and pour it into the molds accordingly. So in this I will also attach a recipe sheet along with it, so which will be displayed right now over here. You can have a look at the recipe and how it works. So let's get going. Got my power blender here. So the first soap is with an anti-acne blend. So this is the anti-acne blend which I've already taken. I'm pouring it in here. set is a set of 24 soaps. So what I'm going to do is take it for 2 batches. So this batch is you need to do it in 2 layers. So it has 2 different ingredients which has to be added in it. So it's orange peel powders. So these are vapor dried powders. So what I am going to do differently in this is, since we are adding 2 different types of ingredients, I am splitting it up into 2 just to give the soap a different kind of texture. Taken 1/2 of orange peel extracts, and for the remaining I am using the turmeric powder. So all the turmeric is well blended. So here, if you can see, this is one design which we can make. So the turmeric goes inside and we can just swirl it in. And if that is not the case and we want a 2-layer soap, you can use a separate breaker. Yeah, this is going to be a 2-layer soap. So then this is one technique where you can just swirl everything so the colors mix up. So the last batch is charcoal. So as you can see, as we have left it for a long time, it is already thickened up a little bit. So you can just swirl it in like this to loosen up the trace, and then add the charcoal powder. And there is a direct relationship between the blending speed and your trace. So what I'm doing it is, I'm mixing it with a hand stirrer so that the trace doesn't happen very fast. Yeah, so it's done. So then there's a little bit of leftover charcoal here. just to give it a little bit of pop and design by using this. We can top it off here. So you know there's one single type of layer that is there. Yep. So if you're wondering why making these small batches in different varieties and what is happening, so this is a kind of service that we offer in which you can customize your own soaps, and you can do it as low as 12 soaps. So you can choose from a wide variety of soaps, and it is actually a menu card in which you can choose whatever you want. So you can check out the link in the description below. And also, if you're a soap maker and you're looking to make soaps on your own and you're looking where to find the supplies and where to get them, so it is not so easy. You'll need to go to 3 different places, 4 different places, get products. But then there is one place where you can get it all under one roof, and I've also given the link below. You can check it out, check out the products. They have amazing fragrances, perfumes, colors and oils. So all you need for soap making can be gotten from that one website. So signing off again, this is Kaviraj from Soul Soaps. And thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Thank you. This is Kaviraj from Soul Soaps. உங்களுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுனாலும் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. And as I always say, soap making ஓட marketing is very important when you're making a business. So என்னோட personal profile business and marketing சம்பந்தமான doubts and questions-க்கு இதே மாதிரி answer பண்றேன். So go check it out. அதுலயும் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற doubts எல்லாம் போடுங்க. Hope we can grow together. Thank you. Bye bye.